Before we start our great editing, we need to create a new project and choose some settings for our first sequence. Also, it's bothering our creativity and ingenuity, but we have to do this. A project file stores links to all the video and audio files we used in our project. Start Premiere Pro 2018. Then, the Start interface appears. There are several buttons in this window. Click this button to create a new project. Click this to open an existing project file. We open the New Project dialog box. Watch it. Firstly, give our project a nice name. Time, Delicious Editing. In this location tab, choose a folder to store this new project. Looking down, this dialog box has 3 types: General, Scratch Disk. In just settings, usually you will want to keep the default. Look at the render and playback setting item. As we devote ourselves to processing the video clips, we will apply some visual effects. Usually, we hope to watch the result of our creative work at once. We call it real-time playback. If we use a lot of effect on clip, our CPU may be too tired, not be able to display the results right away. So, if you choose this GPU acceleration, Premiere Pro will let your GPU hardware to help processing multiple playback work. But if you don't have graphic hardware, only this option, software only, will be used. Looking down, the video, audio, display format settings. These settings tell Premiere Pro how to measure time for your video and audio clips. Usually, you will choose the default settings. Keep timecode for video and keep samples for audio. Timecode is used to counting hours, minutes, seconds, and frames of video. The others only count the number of frames. The audio samples. Premiere can display times in your sequence as hours, minutes, seconds, and samples. But if we choose milliseconds, Premiere Pro will display time as hours, minutes, seconds, but lack of samples. Other options we don't have to care about. Go to the next tab. In this Scratch Disk Settings tab, Scratch Disk stores media files when Premiere Pro render effects. We'd better to keep the default. It looks very complicated. Don't worry. Except type the project name and the location. Other option items we'd better keep the default setting. Then click OK. We have got our first project. Delicious Editing sounds amusing. I wish you didn't fall asleep in this course. The follow-up courses will be much more interesting as well.